Inspection of concrete slab formwork and steel reinforcement before casting involves several key.
Inspection of formwork. 1.2. Check alignment. Ensure the formwork is correctly aligned, level, and securely braced.
1.2. Slab joint examination. Scrutinize the joints for any gaps or misalignments. These should be tightly sealed to prevent any concrete leakage during casting.
2. Detailed review of steel reinforcement. 2.1. Placement verification. Ensure that the steel reinforcement bars are placed in accordance with the approved structural drawings and specifications.
2.2. Spacing confirmation. Check that the spacing between the bars adheres to design requirements, including proper overlap for structural integrity.
2.3. Tie and support inspection. Make sure that all ties are securely fastened and that the supports are robust enough to hold the reinforcement in place during concrete pouring. 3. Ensuring cleanliness and clearance. 3.1. Debris removal. Thoroughly clear any debris, dirt, or foreign objects from both the formwork and the reinforcement to prevent contamination of the concrete mix.
3.2. Water check. Verify that there is no standing water present inside the formwork, as this can adversely affect the curing process.
4. Comprehensive documentation. 4.1. Record keeping. Maintain detailed records of all inspections conducted and any corrective actions taken to address identified issues.
4.2. Approval signatures. Secure the necessary approvals from site engineers or project supervisors to validate that all conditions have been met.
4.3. Inspect electrical and mechanical services, sleeves, and conduits.
5. Final inspection. 5.1. Conduct a walkthrough. Perform a final inspection involving all relevant parties, including site supervisors and quality control personnel, to ensure that everything is in order.
5.2. Confirm readiness for casting. Validate that all components meet safety standards and design specifications before proceeding with the concrete pour.
6. Effective communication. Inform all stakeholders. Ensure that all team members and stakeholders are kept informed about the current status of the project and any outstanding issues that need resolution.
By meticulously following these guidelines, you will